Good morning. We are back, and we are getting ready to do week 14 lessons with our Heggerty. So we're going to start doing our rhyming words, and this time I am going to give you 3 words. You are going to give 2 of the words back to me that are the rhyming words. So we'll start with the words black, clack, glad. Black, clack, glad. Now, what were the 2 words that rhymed? If you said black and clack, those are the 2 rhyming words. So let's try this again. Now, I'm going to say 3 words. 2 of them are rhyming words. Slow, plate, glow. Slow, plate, glow. So if you said slow and glow, that was the first one and the third word that I gave you, those are the rhyming words. Okay, let's try glue, sly, clue. Glue, sly, clue. Now what 2 words were the rhyming words? Glue and clue. Now let's try sling, flight, slight. Sling, flight, slight. Flight and slight. Okay, now the last 3. Climb, slime, flip. Climb, slime, flip. Climb and slime. Okay, good job on that. All right, now we're going to get ready to say the beginning sound, the onset of these words that I am going to make. I've got 2 words for you. Both of these start with the same beginning sounds, okay? So I want to see what is the sound that you make at the beginning of sleep and slippery. Sleep and slippery. What was the first sound you made? And it was the sl sound. And I'm going to show you the sl blend. So these are the 2 letters that those 2 words would start with. All right, now here's 2 more. Client, climber. Client, climber. And if you said cool, that's the beginning sounds of those words. Let's do these words. Blister, blanket, blister, blanket, bull. Very good. Skillet, skipper. Skillet, skipper. And you should have said sk. Now we don't have those sounds on a card yet, but if we think about it, sk. What 2 sounds do we hear when we say sk? We have the s and the k sound. Now there are 2 letters that can say k, what would they be? C and K. So either one of those would go with the S. Sk, sk, to make the sk sound. All right, last one. Student, storage, student, storage, stuff. Perfect. All right, now we're going to get ready for you to tell me the word that I'm going to break it apart. You tell me what it is. Put it back together for me. B, oo, ack. B, oo, ack. Black. Good job. What about this word? K, oo, am. K, oo, am. Clam. F, oo, ag. F, oo, ag. Flag. G, oo. I messed up on that one. Let me start over. G, oo, add. G, oo, add. Glad. What about p, oo, an. P, oo, an. Plan. Now here is another one. S, oo, ip. S, oo, ip. Slip. Now this one's going to have more chops. Pay really close attention to this one. B, oo, and. B, oo, and. blend, blend. Okay, so that one took more sounds. All right, let's do the word app, app, clap, and the word app, app, flap, and the word ass, ass, glass. All right, now this time you're going to chop it out. I'm going to say the word. You chop it out for me. So if we have the word flip, chop out every sound you make in flip, flip. And do the word glide. Glide. Do it again. Glide. Glide. Let's do the word play. Play. Let's do the word sleep. 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 Do block. 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 What about clean? Clean. Last one. Float. Oat. Float. All right, now let's move into, I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word, and you are going to do your roller coaster when we get to the top of the hill. So remember, bottom of the hill is the beginning. This is the middle of the word, and that's the end of the word. So we want to, when we get to the middle, really pay attention to what sound you're making. So the word is bless. So in the middle of bless, we have bless. Bless. What was in the middle of bless? It was the eh sound. Now, is eh the short E sound or the long E sound? Now, let's remember, if the vowel says its name, so if there's an E and it says E, then that is the long E. But if it's an E that says eh, that's the short E. So bless, that would be the short E. All right, now the next word is clock. What is the letter that goes in the middle, and what sound does it make, and is it long or short? That's what I want to know. What is the sound, and is it a long sound or a short sound? Clock. 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 Is that the long O or the short O? That is the short O. Good job. Let's do the word plum. 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 Is the short U. My sleeve keeps getting hung in my chair. Okay, so I need to take these handles off my chair. Let's do the word flake. 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 Now that time, this letter A said its name. So it's not the short A sound. It is the long A sound. Okay? It's the A sound, not the A sound. So that makes it the long sound. Let's do glad. 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 Now that time it was add. It's the short sound. It's the short A sound. Let's do the word flesh. 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 Eh? And is that the long E or the short E? It's the short E. Now let's do the word sleek. 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 That was the E sound. And was that the long E or the short E? That was the long E because it said its name. All right, so now let's get ready. I'm going to give you the ending of the word. and you're going to put a beginning and make a word. So if I have the sound lant, this is lant, and you add p, what do we get? P, lant, plant. Okay? If I have late, you have p. What's the word? Plate, plate. Yes, you have b. Bless. I have lass. You have k. Class. I have lame. You have flame. I have lean, and you have gleam. I have late. You have slate. Perfect. All right, so this time I'm going to give you a whole word, and we are going to take away part of it, what is left, okay? Now, this is the word blonde. I'm going to take away what's left. Blonde. Because I didn't take away bull, I only took away b. So blonde, take away b, that leaves blonde. Okay, we have clock. I'm only taking away k, not the cl, just the k. That leaves me with lock. Clock, take away k, lock. Fly, take away fly is left. Glove, take away g, love. Slime, take away slime. Blow, take away b, low. Close, take away k, lows. Claim, take away k, lame. Glow, take away g, low. Plug, take away p, lug. Good job. Very good. All right, so now we are going to change out beginning sounds. So if I have the word low, low, and I change to sl, what is that word? Slow. And now I have slow, and I'm going to change sl to show. I have change to glow. I have glow. Change glow to bull. Blow. All right, so blow, change bull to full. Flow. All right, so that was the O family. All right, so those of you who have been coming to me, to my little reading groups, and we have been working on those word families, this is what we're doing, guys. Same thing that we're doing in here. Take away that beginning and see what family you have left, okay? Now, let's move into our blends. We did these last week. 2 letters that makes one sound. We kind of push them together real tight and make the 2 sounds all at once. Go. Foo. Okay. Pull. Gull. Bull. Sl. And cool. That's exactly right. So I'm going to give you a word, and you're going to tell me what 2 sounds start this word. Okay, what blend? Now I'm going to give you a clue. Every one of these has an L. So you've just got to listen for the first sound, put an L with it. All right, so here's the first word. Cloud. What goes with the L to start the word cloud? Did you say CL? All right, last one. What goes with the L to do the word flower? There you go, FL. And we'll do more of these again tomorrow. Our time is running up. I hope you guys had a good morning and a good lesson. I'll see you all on Tuesday. Bye.